Did you know that you can still access the old control panel if you prefer to use that rather than use the newer Windows settings? You can access Windows settings by clicking on the Start button and then clicking on the Settings cog. But if you'd prefer to use the good old control panel, you can right-click on the Start button and click on Control Panel from here. Phew, that's a relief, but it's totally up to you which one you use. Bye for now. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.